friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing a collab. I was recently invited by Nat from Little Miss Nat to do this collab with her and Faye from Faye Blatcher. Those are their channels here on YouTube. We all have purchased the Makeup Revolution Birds of Paradise palette. I think, yes, is what it's called. And so Nat had asked us to join, and I actually bought this because of Nat. I seen it in one of her videos. So she had asked if we would like to join her for a collab doing an eye look using this palette. So she came up with the idea, and it's a fun one. So basically, I don't know if you guys have seen this palette. It's very colorful, very fun. I have done a palette bingo with this palette with Jessica from Behind the Vanity. And I will leave that link down below as well. But basically the idea that Nat came up with is this first row here, this whole row Faye will use. I will use this whole second row, and then Nat will use the whole third row, and we will come up with an eye look. So it's going to be a little complicated. I want to figure out how I'm going to do that. Hopefully it comes out okay, but I did go ahead and do my brows. I don't have no other makeup on my face because I wanted to go ahead and get my eyes done first. So I'm gonna quickly just go ahead and prime my eyelids with the Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock Longwear Primer. It looks like this. As you guys probably already remember, Faye is the one who started our collab group, which is Faithful Fab 9. She was one of the initial starters, and then she started that with Jennifer, and then Nat and I are members of that collab group as well. And so it's been really fun because we've been able to collab with all of the different of the ladies in the group, so it's been really nice. I'm going to take a little powder, loose powder, and I'm going to just set my eyes a little bit. I always like to do that. I don't know why, I just do. We have a lot of fun colors that we could use in here. So we have to use all of the colors. So I think I'm going to start in this canary yellow right here. And I'm just going to start working that into my crease. I'm going to take that canary, as I said. This does have some fallout. Color there. Now I'm going to take another blending brush that's not as fluffy as that one, and I'm going to go into orange right there. It is called Token Play. Just like that. I'm liking how that's looking so far. Now I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to just take that all over the lid as much as I can. Focusing it more on the outside, because on the middle inside I want to put that kind of shimmery shade. I'm going to try to wet my brush and see if that helps a little bit with the pigmentation. this one here, Hot Tropic, which is like a kind of shimmer. Reminds me of the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. Try to take Budgie, which is that green, and make it like a wet eyeliner. That's my goal. Alright guys, so I'm back. I got the rest of my makeup on. I got my lashes done, all the rest of my face. What I went ahead and did was I added this LA Colors Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. This is in Screamin'. It's a pretty bright yellow. Put that on the waterline. Not sure you could see it or not. It's very vibrant. And then what I did is my camera, I realized, died when I was in the middle of my eyes. So I went ahead and took the Adventure right there, all over the lid, except for the inner corners. Then I took this color here, which is this like wet formula, Hot Tropic, and put it on the inner parts of the eye. And then I took the Budgie, the green, and I tried to do liner. I don't know if you could see it. I'll come in closer. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this last color I hadn't used, the Island. I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. And then for the rest of the face, I'm just going to quickly tell you what I used. Bronzer, I used the e.l.f. bronzer here. This is in Forever Sunkissed. This is the Primer Infused bronzer. I used that today. For foundation, I just did a powder foundation, 4-in-1 Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Makeup Powder in Light. Looks like that. I am almost done with that, which I'm really glad about. I'm going to try to hit pan and keep that close here. Blush, I used this one from the Dollar Tree I recently got. This is the Beauty Benefits Lasting Flush Blush. This is in Rose Copper. I was going to use this as an eyeshadow topper. I decided to go in with blush. It's a little shimmery, so I might not do that again, but it's still pretty. And then for highlighter, I did the Beauty Benefits, another Dollar Tree item, Glow with the Flow highlighter. This is in Ray Too Light. Right there, very pretty. It's really pretty on the cheeks. Mascara, I just used the Josie Maran mascara. For concealer, I used my L'Oreal Infallible lip liner and Nude Suede shoes. I'm almost done with it, so I'm trying to finish it up. My Kate Rimmel number 47 lasting lipstick. It looks like that. I go ahead and spray my face with the Smashbox primer water. I am almost done with this as well. My face is feeling extra dry at the moment, so that's going to really come in handy. So I used every color that was assigned to me in that row. I'm going to just come in closer so I could show you. This is my cute little headband from the Dollar Tree as well. That is me using every color in the row that Nat assigned to me. So real quick, I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the ladies before I end the video. So Faye does a lot of different things on her channel. She does a lot of looks. She does unboxings, hauls, like 4-in-1 palette looks. She'll do multiple looks on one palette. So definitely check her out if you are not subscribed to her already. And then Nat does a lot of great things on her channel as well. She does hauls, she does panning. That is one of her biggest ones. She does a lot of panning projects. She does a lot of looks on her channels, uses up a lot of her products, tries to go through all of her products and all of that. And she also does a lot of other interesting videos as well, things that I've not really heard of. So her channel is very unique because she has a lot of fun videos on her channel. So definitely check both of them out. I will leave them both linked down in the description below as always. So if you're not already subscribed to them, please go over and check them out. And if you do, I would love for you to let them know that you came over from my channel. Subscribe to them as well. I would really appreciate it. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the look. Ladies, I hope you like the look that I came up with using all of those shades. It's definitely a fun look for me, and I wanted to incorporate every single one of them, so I did really enjoy it. It's not my norm that I would do, but it's definitely fun. So I'm really glad that you asked me to do this, and I'm really glad that I got to participate on this video with you guys. Can't wait to see what looks you guys do with the rose that you got. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and say thank you to everybody who's been continuing to support me. If you have not subscribed, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to follow me on this journey. And if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And comment down below if you have this palette, if you've tried this palette, what you thought of the look, if you thought it was a nice look or not. You can be completely honest. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.